Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu states that a man appeared before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked him about the prayer timings. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not give him any reply. The reporter says that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the Fajr prayer when the dawn broke and the people were not able to recognize one another due to darkness. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam led us in the Zuhr prayer when the sun passed the meridian. A person said it is midday and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam know it extremely well. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then led us in the Asr prayer when the sun was still high, and led us in the Maghrib prayer after sunset, and led us in the Isha prayer when the twilight melted away. Next day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam led us in the Fajr prayer so late, but in prescribed time, that after performing the prayer one said, "The sun has emerged or is about to rise." Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam led us in the Zuhr prayer at the time which was close to the time when he led us in yesterday's Asr prayer, then led us in the Asr prayer so late that after performing the prayer one said, "The sun has turned yellow." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then delayed the Maghrib prayer to such an extent that the twilight was about to disappear. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then led us in the Isha prayer during the first session of a third of night. In the morning he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent for the inquirer and said, "The time of our prayer is in between these two times." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1392.